Hi, so why is using Dr. Chan's GCSE Total Recall system more important than it's ever been? Well, with all the uncertainty currently surrounding, are they taking exams or they're not? I don't know what's happened with the examining board with you, but here in Wales, it's been decided there won't be exams as such. It will just be a controlled assessment in class. But what that means as well is the predicted grades are, it would seem to be going to be used again this year. Meaning that although it's good on the one hand that they're not going to have the traditional exams in the true sense of the word, there's still going to be an enormous amount of pressure, possibly even more pressure to be honest, because they're going to be having these class assessments and they're also going to have to be doing a lot of work at home. I know my daughter's working on the clock at the moment for trying to hit her predicted grades. So there's a lot of homework, a lot of essay writing, and also going to be these controlled assessments in classes. Now, I'm guessing that if teachers are doing their job properly, in those controlled assessments, pupils are still going to be expected to know at their fingertips the information ready to do these controlled assessments. Plus, if they're anything like my daughter, where she's working hours and hours at a time, the more information they can store to their long-term memory, the better and the easier and the quicker it's going to be, A, to get those essays written, and also to actually be stress-free or as stress-free as possible going into the controlled assessments. So why is Dr. Chan's GCSE Total Recall system a no-brainer when it comes to trying to store information into your brain? Because it's a fact that you can actually learn any sort of numbers and any sort of boring information much quicker by storing it as images into your long-term memory. Now, I've made loads and loads of videos of these, which you can actually see on my playlist. I've done it from studying chemistry to geography to biology. I've covered on all sorts of topics of how you can actually use a room like this or a journey or different rooms in your home to remember information, and you store images in your mind then, and that's how you can remember, so that when they go into this controlled assessment, just supposing that I've actually attached images within this room, they would then go into there and just visualise, right, what was on the radiator, what was on the worktop, what was on the light switch, and they'll be able to recall information much quicker. Alright, I'm not going to give a demonstration on this video, I just wanted to explain why, in my opinion, it's more important than ever to be using memory tricks like those featured in the Dr. Chan GCSE Total Recall system to take the pressure off children, because I actually think that now they're under more pressure than ever. Because like I said, if it's anything like my daughter, she's really bogged down with homework at the moment, doing online courses, and also, as I say, preparing, ready for these controlled assessments, which, let's be honest, they've got no idea. Probably the teachers at this stage don't know what sort of format that's going to mean. But at least if they've got all this information as much to their fingertips as they possibly can, it surely can only make it easier for them. Like I said, if you want more demonstrations on how to use these techniques, I make regular videos on them, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you get notification when I make videos. And also there is a playlist that I've created under Dr. Chan, which will have all the different examples that I've covered. In the meantime, if you want to actually purchase a copy of the Dr. Chan GCSE Total Recall system, then I'll pop a link at the bottom as ever. I will just be transparent though and say that if you purchase using my link, there is a chance I could get paid a commission. But rest assured, it won't cost you any more money at all. It will just be that the product owner will pay me direct any commissions that are due to me. Alright, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely nothing to lose by trying these memory techniques. But the great thing about using these memory techniques is once you start using them, you'll use them all your life. Trust me, they're really exciting and they're really easy, and you'll never learn in a different way after knowing these memory techniques. Alright, so that's it for today's video. As ever, thanks ever so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye for now.